Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations Star Wars inspired tie-dye series. This is part 4 of the 7-part series. If you're on Team Yoda, you'll love these socks. Check out the other Star Wars tie-dye movies we've made by clicking the little info button in the upper right-hand corner of this video. You'll need these supplies for this project, and you can find your white socks at funsockcity.com. To begin, get your socks nice and wet, and then wring out all the excess water until just damp. For folding these socks, I basically just squished them up in a really random pattern, starting at the toe and all the way up to the top. Then, I tightly wound a rubber band around the center of it, and then a second one going perpendicular to that first one. Then repeat that same process on the second sock. For the tie-dye, I mixed up 2 types of green. You could use just one type, do whatever you'd like. Mix it up, and then on a surface that's okay getting dye on it, go ahead and dye the socks. Place the socks into a plastic bag and then let them sit for at least 24 hours. After the allotted time, run them under cold water until the water runs clear. Then throw them in the washer and dryer. If you plan on writing on your socks like we did with the writing showing on the outside of the leg, stack your socks together so that the insides are next to each other and the outsides are not. And get a piece of paper so that you can write with the correct spacing, and follow that same spacing when you write it on the sock with the fabric paint. Move that sock carefully aside and then flip the other sock over, keeping it running in the same direction. And then repeat the writing on that second sock. Let the fabric paint thoroughly dry and then walk around wearing your socks feeling awesome, 'cause Yoda man!